And I just think the world is waking up to the realization of what Bitcoin is going to be. But the really big players, they're not worried about this
Yeah,
stuff.
like,
They're
you don't
looking
wanna
at
be
the
on the
long term
opposite
vision.
side of when state congressmen are starting to say, "Should the state start to
Mhm.
investigate allocating a small percentage of its reserves into a Bitcoin
Yeah.
ETF?" Um, basically saying, like, this is literally like a congressman saying, "We could have made, $500 million if we bought Bitcoin." And, his constituents are probably starting to, like, tell him, like, "Hey, you gotta pay attention to this." I like this, 25% of pension managers present at a recent panel personally owned digital assets. If 1% of state pension AUM, which is $5.5 trillion, flowed into Bitcoin, it would dwarf mining revenue. It would lead to a supply shortage relative to demand. It would lead to a price increase in Bitcoin.